My name is Hitesh Kumar Bhuwalka and I read in class 12 and I am an international puzzle coach and a speedcuber.
Hitesh is an international puzzle coach and speedcuber. He boasts over 50 medals from 10 official WCA recognized Rubik's Cube competitions. Currently a top 5 speedcuber in India in the 6x6 and 5x5 categories, he holds 8 West Bengal state records. Providing virtual speedcubing tutorials for 2 years, Hitesh has trained 200 plus cubers worldwide. He has started a firm supplying speed cubes and wants to take up coaching as a career.
As soon as speedcubing came into my life, I have seen a massive change in what Hitesh before February 2021 was and what Hitesh is today. I have seen that I am more confident in talking to people, reaching out to people, discussing with people, helping out people rather than what I used to be.